Okay, we're sitting next to a Peruvian pepper tree, Schinus molle, and some people would call it California pepper, but that's most certainly a misnomer. It is not from California. It's a non-native plant from Peru, and it actually can be quite a problem in the environment sometimes. So it's important, I think, that people learn that it's not native to California. It does spread in certain environments, particularly because of the red seeds that are on it, little fruits actually with the seeds in it. Birds tend to spread it around. The fruits themselves are actually toxic to mammals though. There's several specimens of this tree just up canyon from the ranch house here at Scorpion. Okay, and this is the fruits of the Peruvian pepper tree, along with the leaves. As I mentioned, the fruits are spread around by birds a lot. As a matter of fact, this plant is considered dioecious, which means there are male trees and female trees. This is one of the female trees, you can tell because it has the fruits on it. And on the Nature Conservancy side of the island, they've actually eliminated the female trees in an attempt to keep the plants from spreading. But it does mean there are still Peruvian pepper trees around. They're just all the guys. The only other thing I'd mention about this, I did mention earlier that the fruits are toxic to mammals. They are not actually pepper. They have kind of a peppery smell to them, but they are not edible.